For my patients that work from home, I call this their new commute time. Keep it next to your desk. Take 5 minutes at the end of your day to help reduce the aches and pains that come along with sitting. Lie down with the foam roller about mid-back. You'll lift your hips up and keep your hands behind your head so that you're a little bit arched, kind of like you're doing a mini crunch. And slowly roll up and down the spine, going as far up and down as it feels comfortable for your back. You may hear some pops and some cracks along the way. And then take a run down each side, the left and the right side of the spine. So turning just a little bit so you get the muscles, the paraspinals that run along the spine, kind of up between the shoulder blade and the spine. And you'll do that on both sides. And then back to the center, about bottom of the shoulder blade level. Drop your hips down and arch back over your foam roller. Gently reverse crunch back up. Do this about 4 or 5 times. And then you can move to a different area, maybe a little bit higher or a little bit lower. You can also just hang out here and stretch out a little bit. And then perform your mobilizations, moving up and down. To add a little bit of a pec stretch, turn your foam roller long ways. You want to lie down so your sacrum and your head are both on the foam roller. Keep your knees bent for balance and allow your arms to drop out to the side like a Y, getting that nice elongated pec stretch. From here, you can add a little bit of movement like you're doing snow angels, getting the shoulder blades to glide along the rib cage, doing as much as we can to reverse that forward posture that you are at all day at your desk.